There are so many fun ways to create slime, and throughout this series, I will be trying many of them. Today's recipe is edible since it's made from Starburst candies. While you may not want to get your kids in the habit of tasting slime, this recipe is safe if eaten. It only requires 3 ingredients. You need Starburst candies, powdered sugar, and cornstarch. You will also need a glass bowl for each color and wooden sticks to stir the candy. Divide the candies by colors and place them in the bowls. Mix 1/4 of a cup each of the powdered sugar and cornstarch. Melt the candies in the microwave for 5 to 15 seconds at a time. Make sure to stir in between. Place some of the sugar cornstarch mixture on your working surface. I will be using a silicone baking mat. Wait for about 5 minutes to allow the candy to cool. Knead the candy with the mixture. Make sure to pull it apart and stretch it to allow air to pass through. This helps the mixture become less sticky. Repeat for each color and add them together to create a color burst. If your kids don't eat it, it can be stored in a sealed container for a few days. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.